Hello students, I am Mrs. Degaonkar. Once again welcome you to my online class. Our today's topic is reference skill. Now you may be wondering what is this reference skill? Now when we want any answer, to get any answer for our queries, we need reference. And to get correct answer, we need the skill. And that is reference skill. We have to refer. Now when you want an answer, so you go back there now and to search, and from the material given you search the correct answer, and that is the reference skill. The proficiency in language skills, namely listening, speaking, reading and writing, enriches competence in English. We also need reference skills as we need to refer different sources to complete our assignment. Now, a teacher teaches you a lesson. Afterwards, based on that lesson, you are asked the questions. So you go back again to the lesson and you search the correct answer. That is the reference skill. Reference skills are cross-curricular skills that are part of the scope and sequence of many academic areas like history, geography, maths, science, etc. Now you have queries regarding history. Now when did Tipu Sultan reign? What was that era? So you will go back to that part and you will search and you will get the answer. Therefore, if you want any reference, any answer to any questions there, you have to follow this reference skill. It is also called as learning skill. When we study a unit where we focus on depth or on the specific skills, using reference skill is effective. Simply you just go there and then you just take the answer and write any answer. That's why if you see there in your question paper, many times you get wrong there now. Why? Because you have not particularly, correctly, sincerely followed that portion there now. And because of that, when you have not followed the reference only. You just go on answering very casually. But if you use the skills, the specific skills are there, and if you use the reference skill, it will be more effective. Now suppose, now you want some source of information, right? You want source of information. When we need some source of information, we can find it from the following reference. That is encyclopedia. Now what is this encyclopedia? It includes information on a wide range of topics or subjects arranged in alphabetical order by subject. Now anything you want. It may include science, it may include geography, it may include some reasoning. Anything is there, but it is just order. It's in the range of, the topics are in the range there as per the alphabetical order. Atlas. Just second one is atlas. A bound of collection of all types of maps of the world, a country or a state. Now we don't know exactly where our state is. Yes, we say we are in India, but exactly in India where it is. If you open this atlas, you will get the map and you will see that where your Karnataka lies there. Right? So, the most important reference skill is dictionary. Yes, my dear students, because dictionary is the whole and sole material to get lots of information there. Now you want, actually when we start dictionary, when we are in a difficulty of understanding a word, we don't know the meaning of the word. Many times we don't know the spellings only. And there the dictionary helps you on. The spellings. Now dictionary is arranged in an alphabetical order. It starts with A and ends with Z. Yes. Then A, B or A, C, A, D. It starts like this alphabetically then. It is arranged only. Words are arranged according to their first letter and then the second. So that is the one way. That's why it becomes very easy for you all to study the dictionary. Second is definitions. Yes, many times we get that definition, the complete meaning. Definitions means the complete meaning of the word there. Pronunciation. Now, why this pronunciation? If you'll see there, beside the main word, you'll find the phonetical device also there. Phonetical, because usually when we speak, our toning, our pronouncing of the word follows our mother tongue or the language pattern as per the cat. But if you go really, if you want expertise there now, you will follow the correct pronunciation, that is the phonetical pronunciation there. And pronunciation, it also teaches the parts of speech. Now take for example, advise and advice. ADVICE and ADVISE. Now what part of speech? Now both sound same, their pronunciation also is same, but the spelling is different. Now ADVICE means advice only, but it is the noun form. He gave me an advice. So this is a noun form. And ADVISA is a verb form. He advised me not to do this, not to do that. So the dictionary gives you also. It also gives you the origin of the word. Just now as I said, that phonetically how it is spelled there. Phonetically original, phonetics gives original sound there or the pronunciation. That also you will find it in the dictionary. The fourth part is glossary. Glossary means what? Includes important words from the textbook along with their definition. Now the meanings. Now when we start learning a lesson there are many difficult words. And these words, the meaning of these words is given in glossary. It important words and with their meaning. It is always at the back of the lesson. Located at the back of the book before the index, it is in the alphabetical order. Again, you get glossary there now. If you open your textbooks, you will find their glossary and then you will get the alphabetical order. The fifth part is index. Now, index. It includes information about everything in the book and which pages to find the information in the book located. At the very back of the book listed in alphabetical orders. It may be backside also or it may be in the front side also many times. But index includes information about everything in the book. Now take your English book. First lesson which is there, second poem is there, third lesson is there, fourth lesson is there, fifth is poem. This all it gives the information. Right? And if you want immediate, now which lesson today I am going to study there? Okay, open it then. Now we are referring here. Now articulation book. In the articulation book, again the contents will be on the starting there and index means regarding the information apart from that will be in the backside there. Right? What all is included in the lesson there now. All these things matters a lot there. Sixth one is thesauruses. Now, thesauruses means what? A book of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means same meaning. Antonyms means opposite meaning. So, thesaurus is a book where you get the meanings. Either they are in the same meaning or they are opposite. Apart from that, there are again many things there. Now, newspaper, magazines are there. Table contents are there with chapters, page numbers, includes where to find glossaries, etc. Now title page is there, which is the title there, author, publisher, place of publication, copyright, all this information you get when you start finding the sources of information. Just I have given you some examples there now. This I have given you with the answer. Now your family is going to visit the Himalayas this summer. Now where would you get information regarding the distance from your place? Now you are in Belgaum and you are going to Himalaya. How much distance is that? Where you will find this? Where would you get the information? Either is it in the A, globe, B, Indian atlas, C, encyclopedia, and D is geography. Now for this, now we want the map. The map means now you have to search there. So you will find it in the B, that is Indian at last. One more is there. Kiran is reading a book about dinosaurs. Listen carefully, my dear students. Kiran is reading a book about dinosaurs. Where should he look to find the definition of a word he doesn't know? Now, dinosaurs, you are reading there now. Certain words are there, you want to find it out, because many times we don't know only what we say for the particular thing there now. And that is why, because of that, you have to just go through that. Where should you look there now? Either in the title page or table of contents, index or glossary. Yes, definitely you will go to the glossary, because you are getting there the words also and the information also. Next one is the interpretation of advertisements and schedules. Now what is this? Now many times we have got lots of things, lots of queries for us there now. We want the information, and for that we search there. Right? Now this is actually, now we are all speaking this because this is for 4 marks then. 4 marks definitely you will get. You have to, the information will be given to you in the question paper. Only thing is that you have to answer the questions which is given below. And that example now I am just telling you all there now. Now this what example I have used is the interpretation of advertisements and schedules. Now advertisements is now like this phone is of this cost, that phone, Samsung phone is of this cost, Nokia phone is for this cost, and then now say Samsung Galaxy is for 21,000, Nokia is for 4,600, now Carbon is for 3,490 and BlackBerry is for 7,499. Now they may ask you the question, which one is the cheapest? Which one is the costliest? So like this answers you have to find. Now, sorry to say, but you people have not seen any functions only in the colleges because of this lockdown and all these things. Otherwise, you would have enjoyed it more. Now, that is the schedules. Now, we exactly start there now. Anyway, now this is one event there now, which we are following there, right? And event, now one event is there. Take event is cultural program event. So, how the message is now, how we have given you the question. See, event is inaugural. First it starts with inaugural. Inaugural means starting. Then inaugural is starting at 9 o'clock and it will be up to 11 o'clock. Prize distribution. Prize distribution is from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Then the cultural programs. First one will be songs and dance. That is from 12:15 to 2 o'clock. Second is lunch break, 2 to 3. And third is fish pond. This is a game. So it will be at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So 11 a.m. or morning 9 to 11, inaugural will be there. Prize distribution will be from 11 to 12 afternoon, and cultural programs will start after 12:50. Now they have given you this information, and now you have to start there. How long will be the inaugural event last then? How long will the inaugural event last? Now 9 to 11 means 2 hours. So your answer will be 2 hours. You have to read it carefully, my dear students. Read it carefully. Then only you will understand. Don't haphazardly 9 to 11. Don't write. It is what they have said. How long will the inaugural event last? So you have to write for 2 hours. Second question is, when will the prize distribution begin? It will start at 11. Begin, not end. Begin is 11 a.m. When will the cultural programs take place? Yes, in the afternoon. Just now as I said, those are in the morning. Now this is in the afternoon. Don't start there 12:15 to 2, then 2 to 3 or something. Don't do all these things. What is the question? When will the cultural program take place? You have to answer in the afternoon. And what is the time allotted for fish pond? It is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So my dear students, you have understood this, and this is for 4 marks. See that you answer properly and get 4 marks. Little mistake also, your marks are cut there. So now I have given you an example question here that you have to do on your own. Read the information given below and answer the question set on it. Now they have given you about the traveling, right? Traveling place, arrival and departure. Arrival means when it will come, and departure means when it will leave. Now this is in the South India there. So Kacheguda. Here arrival is the bus has not arrived, the train has not arrived here. It is starting from here. From Kacheguda, the train will start at 9:55 p.m. Then it will reach Mehboob-Nagar. In Mehboob-Nagar, it will arrive at 11:45. There it will wait for 10 minutes and it will depart from there at 11:55 p.m. Then it will reach Gundkal at 4:55 and leave Gundkal at 5:55 a.m. 4:55 a.m. it is, because it is a night train, and now you are reaching Gundkal in the morning, early in the morning at 4:55 a.m. and it will start from Gundkal at 5:55 a.m. Then it will come to Karnataka, Doddaballapur. It will reach here morning 11 o'clock a.m. and it will wait for there for only 10 minutes and depart from 11:10 a.m. And then it will reach Bangalore 12:30 p.m. Now from this you have understood. In your question paper they will give you which train and all. I have just given you in short here. So this train is from Andhra Pradesh and it will reach Karnataka, that is Bangalore, in the morning. Now here no departure is there. So what is the question? How long will the train stop at Gundkal? Now 1 hour. What is the departure time from Doddaballapur to Bangalore? Now departure is 11:10. It is the departure time. At what time the train will arrive at Mehboob-Nagar? At arrive is 11:45. And what is the arrival time at Bangalore? 12:30 p.m. So my dear students, you must have understood this, and please follow carefully. And this reference skill, as I said, every time whenever I am teaching you, just don't learn this only for examination purpose, because reference skill is for lifelong. So practice it so that you may be able to give the correct answer. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. And once again, I thank you.